What does no location found mean on Find My iPhone? If you're seeing a no location found alert on the Find My iPhone app on your iPhone, you can watch this guide to learn why this issue occurs and solutions to fix it. Part 1. How to fix no location found in Find My app. Solution 1. Update your iPhone's OS. If the status of Apple services on your iPhone and Find My services are running normally, then you need to check whether your iPhone system is up to date. Solution 2. Enable location services. To fix the Find My iPhone says no location found problem, first you need to make sure that location-dependent apps like Maps and Find have location services enabled. Solution 3. Enable Share My Location. To share each other's locations with others, you need to enable location sharing for Find My. Solution 4. Check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. Also, it's a good idea to check if airplane mode is enabled on the device. Solution 5. Set up the correct date and time. No location found on iPhone or location is wrong. Can also happen if your phone is not set with the correct date and time. Solution 6. Reset location and privacy option. If Find My iPhone still says no location found, you might consider reverting your location and privacy settings to default. Solution 7. Try restarting your iPhone. If none of the above solutions fix the no location found in Find My iPhone error, then you can try restarting your iPhone. Solution 8. Fix no location found on iPhone quickly with professional tool. You can also use a professional iOS repair tool to fix this issue. iOS System Recovery aims to provide users with an all-in-one repair tool that can fix all iPhone problems with one click, quickly and effectively. Bonus tips: how to fake location in Find My app. Well, Virtual Location Tool is the application that can help you realize this idea. It is a professional location changer for iOS and Android devices that can help you fake or change the location of any location-based apps on your phone.